In today's video, I will walk you through how to split payments in Xero. Start from the Xero dashboard and go to the Accounting section at the top of the screen. Click Accounting to open the drop-down menu, then select Bank Accounts. Once you're in Bank Accounts, you'll see a list of the bank accounts linked to your Xero profile. Find the bank account where the transaction you want to split took place. With the correct bank account selected, click Reconcile. This will take you to the Bank Reconciliation section, where you'll see the recent transactions for that account. Locate the transaction you want to adjust, then click Find and Match. A list of previously recorded transactions will appear. Review the available transactions and locate the transaction you want to split. Select the transaction to continue. Once you've selected the correct transaction, click Split. You'll then need to enter the part payment amount for the first split. Enter the amount carefully so the split reflects the transaction correctly. After entering the initial split amount, click Split again to finalize the split. Once the split has been completed, click Reconcile. The transaction will then be reconciled using the split payment. That completes the process for splitting a payment in Xero. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.